The technical toolbox's Horizontal Directional Drilling PowerTool, or HDD PowerTool for short, provides a comprehensive solution to guide in the design validation, engineering, and installation phases of horizontal drilling. Pipeline engineering teams can use HDD PowerTool for oversight to validate third-party designs and plans. Using advanced industry knowledge, HDD PowerTool allows for complex borehole design, multi-section horizontal and vertical bends, and variable entrance and exit points, while also performing pull force and installation stress analyses for both polyethylene and steel pipes. HDD PowerTool is not only designed to support both gas and liquid pipelines, it can also support the calculations for installing cables and conduits as well. I will now run through pull force and installation stress calculations for steel pipe that can handle complex vertical bends as well as multi-bends involving both horizontal and vertical bends. Then I will take you to the plastic pipe modules where I will showcase pull force and installation stress that can be done with two different methods, average radius of curvature and specific radius of curvature with GIS mapping capability, and finally give you an overview of hydraulic fracture analysis. The steel pipe pull forces and installation stresses vertical plane module can be utilized when the bends are mostly vertical and can handle profiles that have multiple vertical straight and curved sections. The vertical and horizontal plane module accounts for complicated angles and bends, such as here, and allows more than 5 sections in the borehole profile. The integrated GIS mapping shows a geographical overview of the pipeline crossing the obstruction with length and direction. As you see in the first module, the plastic pipe pull forces and installation stresses provides a simple calculation for PE pipe recommended by the Plastic Pipe Institute that accommodates the ductility effects of plastic pipes. The second module, which is the plastic pipe pull forces and installation stresses with specific curvature of radius, supports multiple variable inputs for length and complex angles and bends, along with other advanced calculations, as well as GIS mapping. The hydraulic fracture analysis module supports both single point and multi-point calculations with a stability analysis chart and graph. The graph displays the depth, length, and pressure for the borehole profile alongside the elevation profile and the maximum and minimum required mud pressure. The HDD Power Tool comes equipped with integration into the Pipeline Hub and access to new features and enhancements as they are made available.